So for today's session, we're going to do character practices again like last time. It's our 30-minute session, and we're going to do some dictation after this, just like last time, okay? So for the first character, we are going to do the character 和, 和, and this means and, or also, okay? 和, we'll start with a 撇, and then a 横, 撇横竖, 撇横竖 and a 撇 coming down on the left. 撇横竖撇 and a 捺. 撇横竖撇捺 and on the right we're going to do a 口. We've learned that 口 before. And there's your 和. Easy peasy. Next one, we're going to do 学校的校. 西一奥校. Okay, and this has to do with campus or school. So if you don't remember, 学校 is school, okay? 学校 is school. So we're doing the 校 from 学校. Okay, oops. So we'll start with a 横, 横竖, 横竖撇, 横竖撇点, 横竖撇点, and then we're going to do a 点 on the top. 横竖撇点点横. Make that a little shorter. 横竖撇点, a 点, a 横, and then a 点 on the left. 横竖撇点点横, a 点 on the left and a 点 on the right. Let me make that shorter. That shouldn't be so long. And then 横竖撇点点横点点. And from this right 点, we're going to pull a 撇 coming back. Make sure it's touching, but it's not poking through. 横竖撇点点横点点撇 and 捺. And there we have it. 学校的校. So feel free to pause here on the video if you need to go back and catch up on any of the character strokes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase here, and so I can do the next two. So the next two characters we're going to do, one of them is going to be called 门, 门. Okay. 门 is going to be our counter for classes. Okay, so like how many classes you have. If you want to say I have 5 classes, you have to say I have 5门课. Okay, 门 is the counter for classes. So in Chinese, most things when we count them, they require a unit to count them. Like one glass of milk, glass is our unit. One piece of paper, piece is our counter for paper, right? One drop of water, drop is our counter for water. So here, 门 is our counter for classes. 门 can also by itself mean door, just so you know. When it's not used as a counter, it can also mean a door. We're going to start with a 点, a 竖, a 竖, and a 横折钩. And we are done. It literally looks like a door frame. Okay, and that's it, 门. Okay, and then we are going to also do the character 音. Okay, 音 for, if you remember, for this is the character for sound. But if you remember the class 音乐, which means music, it makes sense that the character sound is in the character for music because we make sounds of music, right? 音乐的音. Okay, so this is what we're doing. 音乐 for music, in case if you need that. Okay, so we're going to start with a 点. 点 a 横. 点 a 横 and then a 点 coming in. 点 a 横 a 点 coming in and a 点 coming back. 点横点点 and then a longer 横 underneath. And then underneath all of that, we're going to do a 日. We've learned this before. 日 is the character for a day or a sun, right? 日. And there you have it. 音乐的音, all done. So go ahead and do your 10 times each in your notebook. Finish your stroke order. Pause the video if you need to. And then also make sure you do your 1 time each character on your Nearpod before going on to dictation practice.